Hi everyone. So here we have a question on polynomial. The question is, if alpha and beta are zeros of px square plus qx plus r, then evaluate alpha to the power 4 plus beta to the power 4. Before we solve this, let us understand a formula, that is, if px square plus qx plus r is a polynomial and alpha and beta are zeros of the polynomial, then we can write alpha plus beta is equal to minus q upon p, and alpha into beta is equal to r upon p. So we're going to use this two to get the value of alpha to the power 4 plus beta to the power 4. So let's start doing this. So we know that alpha plus beta is equal to minus q upon p. So what we'll do, we'll just do a squaring on both sides, that is alpha plus beta whole square. We're going to find out first. So minus q upon p whole square. So alpha plus beta square is nothing but it's like a plus b whole square. So this is alpha square plus beta square plus 2 into alpha beta is equal to q square upon p square. Now we don't know alpha square plus beta square value, so we'll write down same as it is. And we know the value of alpha into beta, it is equal to r upon p. So we'll substitute here. So we'll get 2 multiplied by r upon p is equal to q square upon p square. Now we'll transpose 2r upon p to the other side. We'll get alpha square plus beta square is equal to q square upon p square minus 2r upon p. Now here we just got alpha square plus beta square. We have to find out alpha to the power 4 plus beta to the power 4. So what we'll do a squaring on both the side again. So alpha square, or we'll just let me write down squaring on both the side. So alpha square plus beta square whole square is equal to q square upon p square minus 2r upon p, and then whole square. We're doing a squaring on both the side, LHS and RHS. Now we'll open the bracket. Now here, if you observe carefully, it's like a plus b whole square. In place of a we have alpha square, and in place of b we have a beta square. So we know that a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So we'll just substitute the values in this. So after doing, we'll get here alpha square whole square plus beta square and again square. It's like a square plus b square. Now 2ab. So 2 multiplied by a. In place of a we have alpha square. In place of b we have a beta square. Just substitute it. And this is equal to, now here if you see, it's like a minus b whole square. So we know that a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So we'll just substitute the values here. In place of a we have a q square upon p square. In place of b we have a 2r upon p. So a square is q square upon p square whole square minus, or we can write plus b square. So it is 2r upon p square minus 2ab. So 2 multiplied by a. In place of a we have q square upon p square multiplied by b, which is 2r upon p. So we'll solve the bracket part. So this is alpha to the power 4 plus beta to the power 4 plus, we can write 2 alpha square beta square as 2 alpha into beta whole square is equal to, we'll open the brackets here, we'll get q to the power 4 upon p to the power 4 plus, this is 4r square upon p square minus, so 2 multiplied by 2 is 4 we cannot cancel anything, so this is q square r upon p to the power 3 or p cube. So we'll just have to substitute the value of alpha into beta in this last expression and we'll get the solution. So from here we can write down this. So solution is here. So here we'll get alpha to the power 4 plus beta to the power 4 plus 2. In place of alpha beta we already got the value here, it is r upon p, so we're going to substitute this. So this is r upon p square is equal to q to the power 4 upon p to the power 4 plus 4r square upon p square minus 4 q square r upon p cube. Now here it is alpha to the power 4 plus beta to the power 4. We're going to transpose 2r square p square to the other side, so this is equal to, we're transposing this to the other side, so q to the power 4 upon p to the power 4 plus 4r square upon p square minus 4 q square r upon p cube. Now we'll transpose 2r square p square to the other side, it becomes minus 2r square upon p square. Now if you see, we can solve 4r square upon p square and minus 2r square p square, because denominators are same, we can solve this. So after doing this we'll get r to the alpha to the power 4 plus beta to the power 4 is equal to q to the power 4 upon p to the power 4 plus, so here this will be common denominator p square, and then in the numerator we'll get 4r square minus 2r square minus 4q to the power 2 or the q square r upon p cube. Now we'll just solve the numerator and then we'll get the answer. So alpha to the power 4 plus beta to the power 4 is equal to q to the power 4 upon p to the power 4 plus 4r square minus 2r square is 2r square upon p square minus 4q square r upon p cube. That's it. This is the value of alpha to the power 4 plus beta to the power 4. I hope you have understood how we got the solution. If you have any question, you can leave a comment below, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching.